One day, a Wazir asked his king for permission to visit the royal apple garden. He said, "Your Majesty, I want to go and enjoy some fresh apples." The king agreed, but gave him one strict condition. "When you return from the garden, you must bring back exactly one apple for me." The Wazir happily agreed and went to the garden. On his way back to the palace, however, there was a problem. The palace had 7 gates, and at each gate stood a guard. When the Wazir reached the first gate, the guard stopped him and said, "I will only let you pass if you share your apples with me. Whatever number of apples you have, you must divide them into 2 equal parts. I will take 1/2, and you can keep the other half to continue your journey." The Wazir agreed and moved forward, but the same thing happened at the second gate, and again at the third, and so on, until he had to pass through all 7 gates. Each guard made the same demand: "Divide your apples into 2 equal parts. Give me 1/2, and you may keep the other half." Finally, after passing through all 7 gates, the Wazir entered the palace and gave the king his promised single apple. Now the question is, how many apples did the Wazir have with him when he first left the garden?